Hey everybody, today is October the 10th. Welcome back to my channel. What you're seeing here are some peppers that I grew from fresh seeds. If you go back to a number of videos ago, months ago, you'll see that I had started off some green pepper plants. Green pepper, orange pepper, yellow pepper, all kinds of different colors. These are ones that I had bought from Costco. And I had taken the seeds, and this is the result. I had dried the seeds and then planted them, and here's proof that you can grow your own peppers from fresh seeds. And I've got some hot Asian little peppers here, and that is cabbage. Growing season here is completely over. I'll just go over here. I'll show you a little update on my Brussels sprouts. You can see how large these are. The plants are very large, but you can see how small still the Brussels sprouts are. They're super small still. And we are, what, October the 10th, 2018. So there we have it. I just wanted to do a really fast video just to show these. Pretty amazing. I've never grown Brussels sprouts before, so I'm looking forward to this. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.